Are you going abroad for the first time? Worried about airport procedures? Don't worry. Here is the tutorial video to help you. Think smart, a step-by-step guide for your first flight journey. Documents, baggage, airport procedures, check-in, immigration, gadgets required, flight boarding. Follow this video for an amazing journey. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Travel Nest for more interesting videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Sit back, relax and enjoy. First experience is the best. The main phases in flying abroad are 1. Check-in, 2. Immigration, 3. Security check, 4. In-flight, 5. Arrival or exit. Make a checklist like below before traveling. Printed ticket and e-ticket. Printed visa and e-visa. ID proof. Travel insurance. Gadgets required. Medicines with prescriptions. Airport transfer. Travel card or currency. Baggage within limits. Keep extra copies of the following documents. Flight ticket, visa, travel insurance, but it is not mandatory. Baggage rules. Check your air ticket to find allowed baggage dimensions and weight. The weight allowance and dimensions vary according to the airline. Most of the airlines allow hand luggage 7 kg, laptop bag 5 kg, check-in luggage 15 to 32 kg. Don't forget to take essential gadgets and accessories. Laptop, mobile phone and its chargers, wristwatch, headphone and a USB cable to charge your phone. Items not allowed in hand luggage, liquids, powders, aerosols, flammables, sharp items. Keep some books in your hand luggage to read in flight and in airport. Keep all valuables in hand luggage only. Don't use bulky hand luggage. One piece is only allowed. Use compact-sized bags, because some airlines consider that as check-in luggage if it is large in size. Keep power bank only in hand luggage. Power banks are strictly prohibited in check-in baggage. Keep medicines only with doctor's prescription. Medicines without prescriptions are prohibited. Check-in begins 3 hours prior to flight departure time, so, ensure that airport transfer is ready at that time. Departure. Reach airport at least 90 minutes prior to flight departure. Use trolley provided in airport if you have large size luggage, so, you can transport it easily into the airport. Follow the queue to departure entry. Don't rush. Follow the instructions from the security officer. Give air ticket and passport to the security officer for checking. They will allow you to enter into the departure entry. Give your ID proof if asked. Place your luggage on the conveyor belt for security scanning. Follow the instructions and collect back your luggage. Check-in. Get into the check-in queue by following signboards. Follow the instructions given by airport ground staff to get into your airline's check-in counter. Wait for your turn in queue. Submit your passport and air ticket to the airline staff and check-in counter. There are 3 types of seat. 1. Window seat, 2. Middle seat, 3. Aisle seat. Ask the staff to choose your seat. It is on first-come first-served basis. Submit your check-in baggage for weight measurement and you will get it back only at the arrival airport. All baggage will be tagged here. The staff will give back your passport and air ticket and will issue a boarding pass. From this point your air ticket is irrelevant. Your boarding pass consists of the information regarding your gate number and your seat number. You can see that here. Immigration. Go to immigration section for further procedures. This process involves the scrutiny of your passport, visa and related documents like air ticket and accommodation in your destination country. The officer may ask you some questions like purpose of your visit, duration of your stay, etc. Security check. Do not enter without the permission of security officer into this zone. They will check your hand baggage and body by X-ray scanning. Put all metals including your ornaments, watch, keys, belt in the tray provided at security check. Males and females will have different queue, so follow the proper queue at security check. All airports have free Wi-Fi, so you can stay busy in social networking in your smartphone or laptop. If you are a smoker, don't smoke in the prohibited areas of airport. Every airport has specific smoking areas. In airports you are always under camera surveillance. Boarding. Wait for the boarding announcement. Boarding starts 30 minutes prior to the departure time. Follow the instructions from the staff and maintain the queue. Some airports transfer passengers to flight by airport bus. Some airports have air bridge or skywalk to transfer passengers to flight. In flight, show your boarding pass to the air hostess and locate your seat. Place your hand luggage in the upper deck above your seat. Please switch off your mobile phones and buckle up for your own safety. Fasten your seatbelt during takeoff. Stay calm and enjoy your flight. Just look outside through the window. You will be wondered. Enjoy your first flight journey. Most of the airlines provide light meals to all passengers for free. Enjoy your food in the heights of sky. Arrival or exit. You will be informed of the conveyor belt from where you can collect your check-in baggage. Double-check the details on the screen display. Ensure that you have collected your own baggage before leaving airport. Contact taxi center in airport. Arrange a taxi and reach your destination. Thanks for watching.